Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And for today's video, this is what we've been doing yesterday. This is upo. Ano bang upo sa English? I don't know. This is string beans, bitter gourd, but this one is wild. Not the big one you see in the store. This one is ladyfinger, okra, basil, kamote tops, kangkong, mint. Ayan na, may bulak ta. Bulaklak ba yan? Is that a flower? Or just another leaves? Kailangan ba yan putulin? And my peppers. Ayan. Dapat i-prune. Ito hindi pa naka-prune. I-prune. Ganyan. Putulin yung ulo. So it will grow like this. You need to prune it. See? Marami siyang branches. Parang magsanga-sanga. Kasi pag you will not prune it, it's gonna be like this. Parang straight up. And it's gonna spread up. Ganyan lang. And we will try to catch a chicken. You know, wild chicken. There's plenty chicken in her. Marami chicken dito naggagala-gala. Wild chicken. So, doon tayo maghihintay. We're gonna wait for the chicken to come inside, and then we're gonna close the door, and then boom, we have chicken. Okay, bye.